Are you already super comfortable and super bored in your double footlock splits on silks? Is this the only thing you can do from here and you don't know what to do next? If that sounds familiar, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 different splits that are suitable for any level. First one, we are going to start squatting down with both of your knees between silks, and then choose one leg to start with. Same side hand is going to pick up the same side tail and place it over both thighs. Then opposite hand takes over the tail to place it on its own shoulder, so starting hand can pick it up from the back and throw it between thighs this time. And repeat the exact same thing on other side, so over thighs, on top of opposite shoulder, under starting armpit, and between your legs to finish. And to check that you are doing everything correctly, if you look at yourself, it should be all symmetrical. And just to clarify, those tails are never traveling between 2 poles. It's very simple, all the wraps are happening from outside. Then we are going to extend your legs forward, keeping your arms up. And it's a very common mistake here to try to stand up. Instead of that, spread your legs opening into splits without coming up. If you do try to stand up, you might feel a lot of pressure on your shoulders. It just doesn't feel great. It's doable, but I don't suggest that. And I just did something with my arms. I freed them up, so I just took them off the wraps and raised them higher up for nice and clear exit. So once you're ready, connect your feet together and all the wraps are going to naturally fall down. Second split, I would say, is the easiest from today. Start in regular double footlock split, and then whichever leg you have at the front, both of the hands are going to grab the same side silk, and that front leg is going to go to its own side. So if you have your right leg as your front one, it goes clockwise. And make full 360 degrees rotation with that leg leading your way. And make as many wraps as you want. 2, 3 are usually optimal. After that it gets harder, but honestly it's up to you. And to exit, as many wraps you did to wrap in, that many times you have to wrap out. To make it look pretty, keep your legs straight throughout. And for safety, keep wraps on your ankles only, never do it with your knee. Last split is probably the hardest one to hold for a while out of the ones we are doing today, so if you're tired or you don't have your super strong arms yet, just do it closer to floor for safety. And here it's actually super helpful if your footlocks are uneven. Whichever footlock you have higher, the same side hand is going to go forward, reach into opposite fabric. The higher you grab, the easier, the lower, the harder. Pull silks apart, still helping with your other hand, and once you open into split, you can let that other hand go. And cool part about this split, no matter which hand you have on top, you can do either leg or even middle split. And this is gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching me. Please let me know your requests and comments, and feel free to check out my other videos. I have tons of tutorials and combos on different kinds of apparatuses.